In the beginning, there was nothing. Then, around 13.8 billion years ago, a singularity exploded. This is the simple premise of the Big Bang theory. This theory, widely accepted in the scientific community, suggests that our universe began from a singularity. Now, a singularity isn't your average point in space. It's a location where the quantities used to measure the gravitational field become infinite. In simpler terms, imagine a point of infinite density and scorching temperature, where the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. This singularity, in a moment of cosmic drama, exploded and started expanding at an unimaginable speed. This event, the Big Bang, marked the birth of our universe. But it didn't stop there. As the universe continued to expand, it began to cool. This cooling process is a crucial part of the story. In the aftermath of the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense sea of particles. As it cooled, these particles began to combine, forming atoms. These atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium, were the building blocks of the universe. Over time, gravity pulled these atoms together to form the first stars, and those stars gathered into galaxies. Fast forward a few billion years, and we have the vast, complex universe we see today, filled with galaxies, stars, planets, and yes, life. This scientific theory paints a fascinating picture of our universe's inception. However, it's not the only perspective. Let's delve into the ancient Vedic philosophies and tales of the universe's creation. In stark contrast to the linear progression of the Big Bang, the Vedic view of the universe is cyclical. This perspective springs forth from the grand concept of yugas, a four-age cycle. Picture a cosmic wheel, forever turning, with each revolution marking a fresh cycle of creation, preservation, and dissolution. At the heart of this cycle are the four yugas: Satya, Treta, Dwapara, and Kali. Each yuga represents a progressive decline in morality and virtue, a gradual descent from a golden age of truth and perfection to a dark age of ignorance and decay. But fear not, for as the Kali Yuga ends, a new Satya Yuga begins, and with it, a new dawn of righteousness and peace. Now let's delve deeper into the abyss of time. In the Vedic cosmology, the concept of time is unfathomable, far beyond the grasp of human comprehension. The life of Brahma, the creator, is said to last 100 years, each day and night spanning 4,320,000,000 human years. Imagine, if you will, a day in the life of Brahma. As the sun rises, creation springs forth, worlds are formed, civilizations rise, and life blossoms in its myriad forms. As the day progresses, life thrives, civilizations peak, and then, slowly, begin to decline. As twilight descends, dissolution sets in. Worlds crumble, life withers, and civilizations fall into oblivion. Night falls, and all is quiet. But when dawn breaks, the cycle begins anew. Out of the ashes of the old world, a new universe is born. Such is the nature of creation in the Vedic view, a ceaseless cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. In this infinite cosmic dance, our universe is but one breath of Brahma, a single beat in the eternal rhythm of creation, a fleeting moment in the timeless expanse of the cosmos. Another intriguing Vedic concept is that of Hiranyagarbha, the golden womb, or the cosmic egg. This is no ordinary egg, my friends, but a cosmic one, a source of creation so profound that it birthed an entire universe. In the vast expanse of Indian philosophy, Hiranyagarbha holds a place of reverence and awe. It's the origin, the primal source from which the universe erupted into existence, much akin to the singularity from which our universe sprang according to the Big Bang theory. But unlike the singularity, Hiranyagarbha is not a point of infinite density, but rather a state of potential, a golden womb nurturing the seeds of the cosmos. Now imagine a universe compacted into a tiny, dense seed. This seed, this Hiranyagarbha, is not just a physical entity, but a metaphysical one. It's not only matter and energy, but also time, space, and consciousness. Everything that exists, everything that could exist, is within this cosmic egg. The ancient texts describe Hiranyagarbha as golden, and this isn't merely poetic. Gold, in Vedic philosophy, signifies purity, and what could be purer than the source of all creation, unblemished by the passage of time or the entropy of existence. It's also a symbol of the radiant energy contained within the egg, ready to burst forth and create the universe. And burst forth it did. From this state of potential, the universe exploded into existence. Stars ignited, galaxies spun into being, planets formed around these cosmic lighthouses, and life, that most precious of phenomena, began its long journey. This concept isn't just a fanciful tale, but a philosophical interpretation of our origins. It's an attempt to answer the fundamental questions we've asked since we first looked up at the night sky. Where did we come from? What was before the before? The answer, according to the ancient sages, is Hiranyagarbha, the golden womb, the cosmic egg. Thus, our universe emerged, not from nothingness, but from this golden womb, a primordial cosmic seed. From creation to destruction, the universe's life cycle is symbolized in the Tandava, the cosmic dance of Lord Shiva. The Tandava, a harmonious blend of rhythm and motion, is more than just a dance. It encapsulates the profound philosophy of the cyclical nature of existence as portrayed in Vedic cosmology. Imagine, if you will, the great Lord Shiva immersed in his dance of bliss, his every move pulsating with the energy of the cosmos. Each step, each gesture, resonates with a profound significance. The raising of his right hand symbolizes protection and preservation, while the beating of his left foot represents the dissolution of the universe. This is the Ananda Tandava, the dance of bliss, embodying the process of creation, preservation, and dissolution. Yet, Shiva's Tandava is not confined to these three stages alone. The dance also represents a fourth stage, the veiling and unveiling of illusions, called Tirabhava. In this stage, Shiva conceals the truth from mankind, only to reveal it again, symbolizing the process of forgetting and then rediscovering our true nature. Finally, the dance concludes with Anugraha, the stage of liberation and grace, where the soul is released from the cycle of birth and death, achieving eternal bliss. The Tandava, therefore, is a poetic expression of the cosmic cycle, mirroring the Vedic understanding of the universe's cyclical life. It is a dance that begins with creation, sustained by preservation, dissolved and then recreated in an endless cycle, a cycle that is as ancient as time itself. The cosmic dance of Shiva is a testament to the universe's rhythmic ebb and flow, a dance that resonates with the cycles of creation and destruction, of life and death, of beginnings and endings. It is a dance that reminds us of the impermanence of our existence and the eternal cycles of the cosmos. Through this eternal dance, we witness the rhythmic ebb and flow of the universe. The Tandava, in essence, is a cosmic symphony, a divine performance that encapsulates the ceaseless cycle of the universe, a dance that transcends time and space, embodying the eternal rhythm of the cosmos. Although seemingly different, the scientific and Vedic views on the universe's creation share intriguing parallels. As we journey back through the annals of human knowledge, two distinct paths emerge. On one side, we have the scientific theory of the Big Bang, a massive explosion that set the universe into motion around 14 billion years ago. On the other, we find the ancient Vedic cosmology, a rich tapestry of tales and philosophies that speak of cyclical creation and destruction. The Big Bang theory, grounded in empirical evidence, paints a picture of an infinitely dense singularity that suddenly expanded, giving birth to space, time, matter, and energy. This cosmic eruption created a universe that continues to expand and evolve, a place of constant change and transformation. Parallel to this, Vedic cosmology speaks of an eternal cyclical universe. The Puranas, ancient Vedic texts, describe cycles of creation, preservation and dissolution, each spanning billions of years. These cycles, called Mahayugas, repeat in a never-ending loop, much like the seasons of the year. In the heart of these cycles, we find the concept of Hiranyagarbha, or the golden womb. It's described as the source of the created universe, a singularity from which everything emerged, strikingly similar to the singularity of the Big Bang. And there's more. The dance of Shiva, the Tandava, is said to symbolize the cosmic cycles of creation and destruction. Intriguingly, this mirrors the scientific concept of oscillating universe theory, where the universe expands, contracts, and is reborn in a ceaseless rhythm. These parallels are more than mere coincidences. They illustrate how both the scientific and the Vedic perspectives, while emanating from different cultural and historical contexts, are attempts to comprehend the same cosmic reality. They coexist not as competing theories, but as complementary lenses through which to view and understand our universe. As we gaze upon the stars, we can marvel at the scientific wonders of the cosmos, while also contemplating its deeper philosophical mysteries. After all, the universe is as vast and varied as the theories that seek to explain its creation.